Hey, what's up guys, this is Scott495 here, reviewing a set of face masks. If you're one of those people who want to just kind of experiment with face masks as I did, see if they're actually useful or not, but don't want to pay a whole lot of money, this is definitely a nice route to go. And even though it's sold as a set, it doesn't actually come in a particularly special packaging. As you can see, this is literally what it looked like when I got it from the mail from Amazon. So this set includes 4 face masks. All of them are 6 fluid ounces in size, but there are only really 3 different kinds of face masks. The first one I have here is a peel-off mask. It has hints of cucumber extract, so this one actually goes on your face clear. It has a much higher viscosity or much thicker than the other face mask, so I had to kind of get used to it applying it. It doesn't go on very smoothly, but once you cover your face well enough and you let it dry, say 10 minutes, you just need to make sure that it's dry enough so that you can actually physically peel it off, then it comes off usually very easily. For this peel-off mask, I use this one more frequently than the other ones. I use it maybe every other day or sometimes every 3 days, so I feel like this one is something that's more routine as opposed to the other ones. So the next 2 are clay masks, and they basically do a little bit more deeper cleaning as opposed to the peel-off one. This one applies for a little bit longer. It comes in 2 different, flavors. One is an avocado, the other one is called Dead Sea Minerals. These clay masks go on your face a lot smoother than the cucumber peel-off one, but I also noticed when I compare it with other clay face masks that I've tried before that are of more expensive brands, that these are a little bit more watered down, so they are not as thick. Nevertheless, what that means is that you probably need to apply a little bit more than what you're used to if you have used previously a thicker clay mask. And then the removal procedure is the same thing as before, except now it doesn't peel off. You just need to wash your face with warm water once the clay has settled, dried, and you can feel the tightness in your skin. These clay masks, I usually use it maybe every 3 or 4 days. I use it a little bit less frequently, or when my face feels extra oily. And now this final face mask is this charcoal black sugar scrub, and this is really barely a face mask. I think that you really shouldn't call it a face mask. It's very misleading, because when I first see the black color, I instantly think of those internet viral face mask videos of, those people putting it on and it's like a shiny glossy black look and you just peel it off afterwards. This is not one of those. This is actually much more similar to a face scrub like the St. Ives face scrub that I use when I wash my face every day. Except in this case, this uses black sugar instead of the fine sand, so this one actually exfoliates your skin much deeper, I would say, than my St. Ives one. So I use this one when my skin is extra oily and I definitely need to exfoliate all the dead skin and whatever on top. So I use this maybe every now and then, just depends really on my skin condition. And since this is not really a mask, I just use this to just wash my face basically. Sometimes I would leave it on a little bit longer because it does have a little of gel infusion, but I really didn't see too much of a results after the first few times I used it, so I just basically used it as a face wash. The overall feeling I get after using these face masks is that it feels smoother, it feels a little bit more clean. It does feel a little dry, so after I use this, then I usually apply some moisturizer like the St. Ives collagen one. So basically my routine is I take a shower, I use the face mask, and then I apply moisturizer. Now I know a lot of you must be wondering, is this actually worth the money? Do these actually work? And I personally was skeptical myself, which is why I bought this as a tester for face masks in general. And I have to say that even though I usually don't get very much acne, so I can't really say that it reduced the amount of acne I have, but after using it, I have to say that my skin does feel rejuvenated in some way. Some of them work better than others. I would say that the peel-off one is kind of very fleeting. It only works you get that feeling for a very short amount of time. The clay masks seem to work a little bit better as I feel more clean after using it, and then I definitely have to say that the black one, the scrub, definitely works the best. I wouldn't use that one though if you have really sensitive skin, because it definitely is a very strong exfoliator. And for those of you wondering if this is made out of all natural ingredients because of the name like avocado and whatnot, and the answer is no. They still have other synthetic materials into it, so if you really want those super organic face masks, this is not it, but those also cost 3 to 4 times more. So in conclusion, yes, I think it does a little bit more than what your normal face washes would do. So I think it is worth it, especially at the value that you're getting for this variety pack. You're paying for between $16 to I'd say $25. The price does fluctuate, so you're never paying more than $10 per 6-ounce tube of this thing, and one tube of this thing lasts a really long time. I bought this 3 months ago and I have nowhere close to finishing this thing. So if you use this every now and then, maybe once or twice a week, you can easily make this last over a year. So if you guys want to give this a try, go ahead and check out the link in the description for the best available price. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.